In today's video, we are going to show you how to deposit in Exness from Trust Wallet. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in for both Trust Wallet and in your Exness account. Now, in your Exness account, go to the deposit section and then select the cryptocurrency as your deposit method. For example, let's say I'm going to be using Bitcoin. And then choose your cryptocurrency. Okay, and then on the drop-down menu, you need to pick a blockchain network. And depending on your account type, you can see some recommendations below. And then all I have to do is copy the deposit address shown or scan the QR code. And once you've done that, go to your Trust Wallet app because you need to send that crypto from Trust Wallet. So open your Trust Wallet app. Find the crypto balance, for example, USDT, BTC, or Bitcoin, because we have selected Bitcoin earlier. And then all I have to do now, click the send button. All I have to do now is paste the Exness deposit address and enter the amount you want to transfer. Review the details and tap the next button. Wait for confirmation. And then wait for a few minutes for the blockchain to process the transaction. Once confirmed, your crypto will appear in your Exness balance. You can then transfer the funds to your trading account if needed and begin trading. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to deposit funds into Exness using Trust Wallet. Just remember to always verify the cryptocurrency type, wallet address, and blockchain network before sending any funds, because a small mistake in the network or address can prevent your deposit from reaching your account. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next video.